Hello students, we are continuing with exercise 2a. Let's go to question number 9 now. Now altogether there are 8 questions in question number 9. Out of those 8, 4 I'll discuss in this particular video. So let's go to the first one now, number 1. So it's given that x to the power m whole to the power n is x to the power m to the power n. Okay, this is what is given. So you have to prove that m to the power n minus 1 into n to the power m minus 1 is equal to n to the power m. Okay, so it looks complicated, so don't get scared. All right, so what happens to the powers? Actually powers will be multiplied, isn't it? So it will be x to the power mn equal to x to the power m to the power n. Now bases are same, so both are x, so I'll remove the bases, so I'll have mn equal to m to the power n. Now this means n is equal to m to the power n by m. That means my n is equal to m to the power n minus 1, because I have 1 over here, right? So now this means m is equal to n to the power 1 by n minus 1. Okay, so you may not have understood this line, so let us try to understand this concept in the next page. So I have n is equal to m is equal to n to the power 1 by s minus 1. That's what I have explained, right? Now how does it happen? Suppose I have 2 cube is equal to 8. This means 2 is equal to 8 to the power 1 by 3, isn't it? So this power, when it shifts to this side, it will become its reciprocal. Okay, so this is what I have right now. Now the expression that you need to prove, your left hand side, is what? M to the power n minus 1 into n to the power m minus 1. Okay, this means in place of m, I am going to write this quantity. Okay, so in place of m, I am going to write n to the power 1 by n minus 1 whole to the power n minus 1 into n to the power m minus 1. Now this means n minus 1 will be cancelled. I will be left with n into n to the power m minus 1. So this is equal to n to the power, powers will be now added, 1 plus m minus 1. So 1 and 1 cancel, which is equal to n to the power m. That is your right hand side. Alright, so this is question number 1. Slightly complicated, please pay attention. Now let's go to question number 2. Now that's question number 2. P is equal to 2 minus 3 to the power 1 by 3. This is given and this is what you need to prove. Let's have আমি কি কৰিম first 2 to এফালে লৈ আনিম, p minus 2 equal to minus 3 to the power 1 by 3 হ'ব. Then মোক cube লাগে, so মই কি কৰিম, I'll cube both sides. So I'll cube this side also and I'll cube this side also. Cube মানে 2 to the power 3. So now ইয়াত আমি a minus b whole cube লগাম, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Yet cube 3 cancel হৈ যাব, I'll be left with minus 3. This means p cube minus 8 minus 6p into p minus 2 is equal to minus 3. Now this means overall সব মই একেবাৰতে arrange কৰিম, p cube minus 6p square plus 12p minus 8 plus 3 equal to 0. Okay? So finally I'll have p cube minus 6p square plus 12p minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is exactly what you need to prove. So hence proved. Alright, this is question number 2. Now we shall move on to question number 5. Now that's question number 5. So these are the things given. A is equal to c to the power z, b is equal to a to the power x, c is equal to b to the power y. And this is what you need to prove, x, y, z equal to 1. So it's very easy actually. So what is given to you? A is equal to c to the power z which implies a is equal to, what is c now? C means b to the power y. So in place of c, I'll write b to the power y whole to the power z, which implies a is equal to, now what is b then? B is equal to a to the power x. So in place of b, I will write a to the power x whole to the power y, and again I have whole to the power z. Now this means a is equal to a to the power x, y, z. So what is the power over here? 1, right? If nothing is written, that is automatically 1. So bases are equal. So I will have 1 is equal to x, y, z. I can write it like this, x, y, z is equal to 1. So that's exactly needed to prove. So this is the proof. Okay, so that's question number 5. Now let's go to question number 6. Now this is question number 6. X to the power y equal to y to the power x. X is equal to 2y. You have to find the value of y. Okay, so very simple again. X is 2y, so 2y whole to the power y. Y to the power x is again 2y. Okay, I'll separate the powers over here. 2 to the power y into y to the power y is equal to y to the power 2y. And this means 2 to the power y equal to y to the power 2y by y to the power y. Now that further means 2 to the power y is equal to y to the power 2y minus y, which means 2 to the power y is equal to y to the power y. Now the powers are same, y and y, that means the bases will be equal. So your value of y is 2. So that's your final answer, y is equal to 2. Alright, so 4 questions I have discussed in this video. Rest of the questions I will discuss in the next video.